Hello. So this is gonna be I hope at least 3 sets of 5, and like as a baseline of early days of underarm no spin with screwdrivers. Yesterday I made 5 in a row from 2 meters, and that was the first time ever. And it was an awesome feeling, and that was on the last set. So this is, as I said, it's like a baseline video. I do 15 throws. Standing at 2 meters. If it sticks, I'll take a step back. If it doesn't, I'll stay where I am and see where it leads us. So that was 3 sets. A little extra. Just for fun. Yeah. So 5 sticks out of 6 throws on the last set. Yeah, it still needs work. So, thanks for watching.